Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a simple guide on how to view all group members on Telegram using your PC. Thanks to a recent update. Let's get started. First things first, open your Telegram account on your PC. You can do this by launching the desktop app or accessing Telegram via your web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chats lined up on the left side of the screen. Now, the next step is to find the group you want to explore. Look through your list of chats, or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the group. Just type in the name of the group and you should see it pop up in no time. Once you've found the group, click on its name to open its info page. This is where all the details about the group come together, including its description, media shared, and of course, the member list. Now, here's where the magic happens. Scroll down to see all members of the group. You'll find a comprehensive list of every member. And if it's a large group, you can even search for specific names. This new update makes it super easy to connect with people and manage group interactions. And that's it. You've successfully viewed all group members on Telegram using your PC. This feature helps enhance your experience on the platform and makes it easier to engage with your community. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Telegram and beyond. Happy messaging!